Welcome to Puebla, a city where history and flavor come together. Get ready for a culinary adventure like no other with our Cooking Class Mexico tour. Our journey begins at a vibrant local market. Feel the buzz as we gather fresh ingredients, fragrant herbs, ripe vegetables, and colorful spices that will bring our dishes to life. Next, we dive into the cultural heart of Puebla. Now it's time to roll up your sleeves. In a cozy kitchen setting, a local chef will guide you through the steps of crafting traditional dishes, turning those fresh ingredients into mouth-watering masterpieces. After cooking, take a stroll through Puebla's historic center. Marvel at the colonial architecture, charming streets, and vibrant atmosphere that makes this city so special. And to top off the day, sample unique local liquors, a true taste of Puebla's rich traditions. From market to kitchen, every step of this tour is a celebration of Puebla's culinary and cultural heritage. So, are you ready to cook up some fun? Join us for the Cooking Class Mexico tour. Book now with Vibe Adventures. Visit the link in the description to book now.